Learn Czech future. I will go.
Půjdu.
And we will go.
Půjdeme.
Welcome. Hey you, ready to learn Czech with laughs and real lifelines? Let's set your brain to future mode. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more guides, freebies, and practice, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll hear, repeat, and actually use the Czech future of to go on foot.
Půjdu. Půjdeš. On půjde. Ona půjde. Půjdeme. Půjdete. Půjdou.
Plus the super handy pep talk phrase.
Půjde to.
Equals it will work. Deep breath. Smile. Let's go. Your goal today. You'll lock in the future forms so you can plan, invite, and sound confident. I will go.
Půjdu.
You will go, singular.
Půjdeš.
He will go.
On půjde.
She will go.
Ona půjde.
We will go.
Půjdeme.
You will go, plural.
Půjdete.
They will go.
Půjdou.
Bonus. It will work.
Půjde to.
Say it right. Tiny tip, huge payoff. Czech distinguishes going on foot versus by vehicle. Today is on foot with.
Půjde.
Forms. If someone switches to a tram or car, you'll hear.
Pojede.
Instead, different verb. Also, when a plan seems tricky, Czechs cheer you on with.
Půjde to.
Think, it'll work, you got this. Mini dialogues. Listen first, then shadow the lines with me. A. Should we leave at 6? B. Yes.
Půjdeme.
A. Can you join me later? B. Jasne.
Půjdeš.
Say MNOU? A. Deal. A. What about Tom? B.
On půjde.
Early to grab seats. A. And Marie? B.
Ona půjde.
After coffee, priorities. Guide. At noon.
Půjdete.
Tudy pres most. Group. Okay. A. Are they coming? B. Joe.
Půjdou.
Rovno na hrad. Me. I'll scout ahead.
Půjdu.
A check the route. Friend. Relax.
Půjde to.
Call and response drills. Repeat out loud. Your mouth learns faster than your memory. I will go.
Půjdu.
Repeat. You will go, singular.
Půjdeš.
Repeat. He will go.
On půjde.
Repeat. She will go.
Ona půjde.
Repeat. We will go.
Půjdeme.
Repeat. You will go, plural.
Půjdete.
Repeat. They will go.
Půjdou.
Repeat. Pep talk. It will work.
Půjde to.
Big smile, again. Quick quiz. Answer fast, then I'll reveal the solution. Which Czech equals, they will go? Answer.
Půjdou.
Say in Czech, we will go at 5. Answer. V pet.
Půjdeme.
What means, it will work? Answer.
Půjde to.
Translate. She will go tomorrow. Answer.
Ona půjde.
Zitra. Translate. You, singular, will go with me. Answer.
Půjdeš.
Say MNOU. Translate. You, plural, will go across the bridge. Answer.
Půjdete.
Pres most. Translate. He will go early. Answer.
On půjde.
Bree. Translate. I will go now. Answer. Ted.
Půjdu.
Culture tip. Walk like a local, Czech style. In Prague and beyond, walking is a daily habit, so you'll hear
Půjdeme.
a lot in plans. If a guide tells a group,
Půjdete.
Ch.12, follow the finger and the colored hiking markers. And whenever you're unsure, someone will smile and say,
Půjde to.
the national optimism switch. Final challenge. One playful story, use every form. Ready? Say it with me. At 6, I declare.
Půjdu.
You nod.
Půjdeš.
He texts.
On půjde.
She laughs.
Ona půjde.
The plan?
Půjde to.
Then we chant.
Půjdeme.
At the gate the guide says.
Půjdete.
Ch.12. Finally, the crew moves.
Půjdou.
Thanks and next steps. Nice work, you showed up, spoke up, and leveled up. Thanks for listening. Practice these lines today in real plans, even tiny ones. Consistency beats perfection. This episode was brought to you by Ch.12 Lingo. Grab more lessons, printables, and audio at www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time, keep it light, keep it fun, and remember.
Půjde to.